Hello everybody, welcome back to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making another beautiful Valentine's wreath. We are working with a note, which I already pinned on, glued on the thing, pipe cleaners, and attached it. We are working with some leftover ribbon. We are working with some of these beauties, which we got pink 10 inches, 3 of these, and a white 12 inches, 3 of these, and 3 10-inch cougar ones. We also got some of these little hearts, and we got a roll of mesh. With that said, let's get this started. Okay, first things first, we're going to work with some mesh. You know, when it starts getting stringy, what I do is get some of this wire and just wire it up. Keeps it all attached together. So this is going to be affordable, easy wreath. We're going to get this in here. Okay, get this in. Pin it up. There we go. And then we're just going to work our way all the way around this little gnome. He's cute. Look. How's everybody doing? Let's get that smile going. Yes, indeed. Another day. Okay, let's get this going. Just kind of put it close together. Around and around. Because we ain't working with florals. Working with some hearts. Found some of them are leftover items, so I thought, hey, I am gonna get them out of the way and make something spectacular. So you keep your leftovers of your ribbons, and you know, you could come to use. And we're just gonna get this around up in here. Here we go. Here we go. How lovely it's looking just like that. There we go. We're going to put this in. Yeah. And one more we got enough for. There we go. Let's get the rest of this. We just use the whole. Let's get this going. This guy up in here. There we go, look at that. Round and round. Keep watching now, this is coming up to the cougar part. Yeah, look at, just use the whole roll. I was kind of debating whether I should use half of the roll or the whole roll. Look at these little flyaways. Keep the hand, keep the scissors by you. There we go. I think we got it, everybody. Let's just cut the rest of this off and we're done with this. How's that looking, everybody? Going. Let's just put this stuff in here. Bam. And then there it is. Look at, wow. Okay. Here we go. Now we are going to get this ribbon. Pieces of ribbon. This long one is 45 inches long. We're going to get to do the famous loops now. We got a 1, 2, and then 1. Okay, two loops, 12 inches. And let's get that up in here. Wow, look at that. I'm just mixed with this color, how beautiful it looks. Get that in there. Get the ribbons twisted out. Look at that, buddy. Then we're just going to get this one, and we are just going to put this one in here. This one. This is our leftover ribbons now, so we just going to get a little bit of some cougar in here. And this one we are just going to do one loop, another one loop on this side. Getting confused with my loops. There we go. And this is just going to be one loop, and we're just going to place a little bit right here and pin that in right here. I like to work with these wired reels, yes indeed, because you can just pin the things in with the wires already on it. Okay, how's that looking, everybody? Woo! Okay, now we're going to start with these lovelies. Okay, we got the white one's 12 inches, the pink is 10, and another cougar 10. We are just going to place those together. How would I have them? Like that. And we're going to get a little wire. Where's my wire? And pinch them together. And what do we got? Bam. Twist them. Twist them. Open it up and I pinch it out like wow, look at that. Bam. Okay, we're going to get these. We got 4 of each colors. Let's see, where are we going to get these guys? Let's get one here. Just get them on here and twist them on. How's it looking, everybody? Give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Look at that. Bam. Okay, here we go. Look at this little gnome. We are just dressing him up. Hey, look at that. Ay, ay, ay. This tape is on my finger. Okay, here we go. And then we're going to get another one over here. Get this way back here. Dressing him up so cute. Look at it. To her. There. Pop these guys out. Look at that, everybody. Okay, and then we're going to get another one. Where can we get this? We're going to get this down here. I was thinking about putting hearts on there. Hearts on the gnome's sleeve, you know, the ribbons. Okay. Yeah, get it tighter, Mama. There. Now we got it. Wow, look at you getting all dressed up. Okay, I think we're going to get this guy, balance them out, and this one up here. Then we got our heart. How simple was that, everybody? Just one whole roll of mesh, some ribbons, some pipe cleaners, some little hearts, and you'll have a beauty little, cute little cougar gnome on your doorstep. I put mine in my living room. Then we're going to get these hearts going. Get these beautiful hearts up here. Just got these at 99 cents last year. Get these going. Wow, look at this, everybody. I think I'll just balance these out now. Ta-da. And with that said, ay, ay, ay. I think we got another one going. Let's scoot over. Let's get one up here. I think we got it. There we go. There it is, everybody. Oh, bam. I hope you guys enjoyed this wreath. I got some ideas and inspiration. He came out cute once again. Thank you guys for coming to Caldera Creations, and have a happy Valentine's, and have a good day. Look at him, so cute. Look at him. Different colors and textures. Wow, Mr. Gnome. He came out so cute. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for the views. See ya. Until next time, everybody. Have a great day.